Hi, hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Welcome to the Software Services channel, guys. So let us discuss something useful today. We already started our Google Cloud tutorials, friends. So in the last class, we discussed a very high level overview of how a user can register and set up a billing account. So in this class, we will see how we can do that practically. So if anybody is watching this video directly, I recommend you to watch the earlier videos in this series so that your understanding will be better. Yeah. So if we go to cloud.google.com, okay, so the page will be visible like this. So this is the page which we will use for registration, right? So here we need to click on start free. Okay. So before coming to this, you should have a Google account with you, Gmail ID, a Google account. So if you have that, okay, so you can start. You are good to go. Right. So start free in the sense, so it is a free trial. We are asking Google I am registering to test a free trial of Google Cloud to deploy my applications, right? To test. Okay, so we will get $300 worth of free credits, right? In these first 90 days, guys. Okay, so let us go and click on this start free. Okay, if you click on that, it will ask for the details, right? So a couple of details like account information. So it's already taken my Gmail ID, which I created earlier, and we need to select a country. And here you can see uh, 300 credit worth free for first 90 days. So after that, no auto charge after free trial ends. So after 90 days, it will not be auto charged. So it will ask, it will alert you so that your information, you had exceeded your free trial. Now you are about to use a normal, without any free trial. So we ask you for credit card to make sure you are not a robot. If you use a credit card or debit card, you won't be charged unless you manually activate your full account, right? So after 90 days, it will alert you and consciously will give a permission to use our account. That means our bank details, credit card account. We are permitting Google Cloud to detect the charges. Okay. So okay, now agree. So here you will see try Google Cloud for free. And number two, payment information verification, friends. Okay. So you have to give what is your account type, whether you are an individual or a business unit. So we can select that I am an individual. Okay. So relevant information you can select. And here, this is the payment. So here you can give net banking or a debit or credit card. So I'm selecting credit card number 46830. Okay, that's my name. Okay, address also we have to give uh, like Bangalore, Bangalore, Bangalore. Five. Um, I think the Bangalore code is something like. Let us search. 560049. 560049. And the state is Karnataka. Yeah. Okay, so after filling up all these details, we have to move ahead, start free. So here it is clearly telling starting a billing account, and so it will ask for the security code also. So if you click continue, it will set up our billing account, complete this transaction. When you click continue, a new browser window will appear where you will verify your info. Okay, so continue. Right. So it is an authentication whether we are giving a valid credit card number or not. Okay, so we need to give the OTP and verification. So 2 rupees will be deducted from our credit card, and after that, Google Cloud will again create that 2 rupees back to our account. This is purely for verification purpose, whether our credit card is valid or not. So finishing wallet setup, right? So here we came to this. So your free trial includes 3,000 in credit and spend over 90 days, right? So what best describes your organization or needs, right? So we'll select our uh, relevant information. So what we are from what helping clients use cloud, e-selling startups, small, large, so which is relevant to us. Um, Exploring Google Cloud, okay? Exploring GCP, right? And then next. So what brought you to Google Cloud? So learn more and explore, right? And then next. So what are you interested in doing Google Cloud? So you can select your use case, data analytics, storage data, data management, artificial intelligence, websites, virtual missions, right? And then next. What best describes your role, right? So what is your role? Uh, so I am solution architect, right? Done. So that's it, friends. Finally, Google Cloud displays its console to us. Okay, so this is how the console looks like. So console is an graphical user interface, web-based user interface in which we can make use of to interact with the Google Cloud services. Okay, so here I'll give a high level walkthrough what this screen looks like, right? So here it is a welcome screen, friends. Here it is a Google Cloud signature. So it's a breadcrumb in which the main area where we are using much of the things regularly. Okay, here all the services they had given, and if you go to the more products, so here is the more products that means Google Cloud services. So related to compute services, right? Distributed cloud, serverless uh, cloud services, and the storage services, and the database services, and integration services, and the networking services, and then operations, and so DevOps, CI/CD services, tools, right? Various useful tools and data analytic services. So we are having a good amount of Google cloud services for when it comes to data analytics. And Google Cloud is a a leader in machine learning, AI, data analytics services, friends. Okay, and the artificial intelligence services. So here, this is the main menu in which we are using much in our day-to-day life. And if we come to here in the top, bar title bar, here it is a project. So in which project we are currently working. So this first project which will be automatically created. We'll see more details in our next classes, friends. Okay, so let us stick to exploring this user interface. So this is a search bar. So if you want to quickly navigate through some of the services handy, like um, Google Compute Engine. Okay, it will some Compute Engine or so Cloud Run. So Cloud Run will come like that. So it's a search bar, and then so here is our account, registered Google account or using Google Cloud. And so if you click here, so you will see billing account management. So here you can see your billing account information, payment methods, right? And your project settings also very important. These project settings, all these details we will discuss in our future classes, friends. Okay. And here it is an okay, let us click that. Here it is a notification area in which if you want to see what are all the things happening in the background, so you can come here and click here to see all the activities which you are doing. Okay, and then here it's an important uh, area. So this is a cloud shell. Okay, activate cloud shell in the sense. So to interact with the Google Cloud, right now what we are seeing is what we are using is graphical user interface, which is web-based interface, which we are seeing, right? So it's as good as an website, right? Similarly, there is a command line interface, CLI interface, that is also available to interact with the Google Cloud. So that is called Cloud Shell. Okay. So and then here you can see what project you are in. So this is your project number, project ID. What is its importance? We will explore, friends. And then after you log in, you can find the products, right? Like this. So you can these are all for quick, handy things which you can see on your homepage itself. Okay. Yeah, so this is a brief about how we can see, create a user sign up, registration, and creating a billing account. Okay, so if you want to see your profile, so just click these three dots, go to the billing account management, and then see your billing page. Okay, so it will take you to the billing page. In the billing page, you can see so many things are there here. So I will stick to the agenda of this session, that basic things. Okay. So billing account ID. So based on this ID, you will be billed. And for which project? This is my first project, which is defaultly created at the time of user registration. So for every project, there is three things: project name, project ID, and project number, which you have saw earlier, right? Uh, so and this is it. So if you want to see more options like payment method which we set up, so we can go here and see our payment details as well, right? And if you want to add more payment information, we can also do that. So this screen is dedicated for all the billing. So cost breakdown, how much we are using, for which services is taking more charges, right? So we can see the billing account like this, right? So this is it, friends. So in the next class, we'll discuss some more tutorials. So till then, bye bye. Yours Vida signing off. Thank you, friends.